Hello friends, welcome to DSA Progress. Today I'll be solving switch case problem. So the problem statement states that given the integer day denoting the day number, print on the screen which day of the week it is. Week starts from Monday and for values greater than 7 or less than 1, print invalid. Ensure only the first letter of the answer is capitalized. So let's get into the problem. First, let's finish off the base condition. So it states that if my input day is less than 1 or if day, the input is greater than 7, we have to print, that is system dot out dot print invalid, I caps and return immediately. You don't have to do anything here. There's a typo here. Better. Okay. Now let's go to the switch statements. So switch of the input day where if for the first case 1, we have to print system.out.print Monday with M capital and break the statement as in the week starts from Monday. So case 1 is Monday through case 7 that is Sunday. So we have similar statements till Sunday 6, 7. So for if the input is 2, we have to print out Tuesday with T capital. If the input is 3, we have to print out Wednesday. If the input is 4, we have to print out Thursday. If the input is 5, we have to print Friday. If the input is 6, we have to print out Saturday. If the input is 7, we have to print out Sunday. Okay, friends, I've already covered all the cases. Let's run this. So both test case 1, which is input is 3 and Wednesday, and test case 2, 8, for which output is invalid, is printed properly. Let's submit this code. So all the 13 cases has passed. Let's meet in the next session. Thanks, friends.